We all know that the statistics say that 90% of traders fail. But why? Why do 90% of traders fail? In this video, we're going to uncover what I believe is the reason that 90% of traders fail. Number one, the mindset for trading is not normal. To be able to lose or win on an average day-to-day basis is not a normal thought process. The mind is being tricked when we take losses. That's why the market is based on psychology. It's based on fear and greed, because the mind is not set up to be able to take losses. So you must develop your mindset when you're trading. But to develop a mindset in trading, it takes a while to be able to be good at what you do. It takes a while to be able to take losses, take defeat, and accept it and come back the next day, or not overtrade or not oversize, and know how to risk manage and know when a trade looks good and when it doesn't look good. The mindset of trading takes a while to develop. Number two reason why 90% of traders fail is because they're not passionate. You have to be passionate about trading. Why? Because it sucks most times. And it's boring too. You must be passionate about this. In the beginning, you're going to be spending a lot of time around the charts, either back testing, forward testing, figuring out how to trade, figuring out your edge, learning from different people, learning from your mistakes, all of that. It's going to be a lot of hours being put into learning the craft. And if you're not passionate about it, you're going to give up at the slightest inconvenience. You must be passionate about this, because as I said, it's a long game. Trading is a long game. We are in it for the long term. So if you're not passionate about what you're doing, then you won't see the long-term gain in it. You won't be in the game for a long time to be able to prosper. Number three reason why 90% fail is their vision is too short. As I've said multiple times here, you have to have a long-term vision for your trading. You can't be looking at this as a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not gonna get rich quick overnight. You're not gonna get rich quick in a day, in a week, in a month, not even probably sometimes in a year. It takes a long time sometimes. Although you can be faster than others, there still is a time factor. You need to put in the sweat equity. Over a period of time, you will get to the point that you want to be. But too soon that people give up when they start facing losses or start facing obstacles in trading and losing money, or not understanding what they're doing on the whatever they're trading, or not understanding their edge. They're ready to quit. But you need to take your time. It's a long game. Take your time. With time, you will get better. You will be able to extract money consistently from the markets with time. Number four, people hate losing. Obviously, I hate losing, but I understand that in trading, losing is a part of the game. It's just the cost of playing the game. You have to take losses. You have to lose sometimes. Every day is not going to be a winning day. Every week is not going to be a winning week. Every month is not going to be a winning month. But we come back and we show up every day. Last but not least, probably the most important, journaling. Journaling is so important, but most time it's overlooked. It's overlooked because people don't think that they need it. But you do need to journal. If I journaled from the time I started till now, I would have been further. I could have shortened my learning curve. But I didn't want to listen. I didn't want to listen to the people that were saying it's important. But it is important. You must need to see where you're doing wrong. You must collect these data points. You need to look back in history and see what things that you did right and what things you did wrong, and eliminate more of the wrong things and add more of the right things. So that's essentially how you get better in any business. Any business want to do less of the wrong thing and more of the right thing. You have to treat trading like a business, because it is. And journaling is a part of the business process.